Nice. So you have a capacitor in here? Do you have any extra battery or just the capacitor?
Just the capacitor, the stock battery, and the stock alternator.
Okay. Right. Could you tell me what's in here for video? Equipment and all. Do you know everything? You've done this yourself or?
Just the Soundstream subs, the Alpine amp for the front system, the Ifinity for the rear and the subs. Okay. And then I have the PPIs for the kicks.
Yep.
And I got 4 super tweeters in the dash.
Okay.
And then I got the 2 normal tweeters.
Yeah.
Because I got the 2 super tweeters here and then 2 on the outside.
Okay. And what vehicle is this?
1985.
Wow. This is nice. This is sweet. Whew. And a sealed box, there's no port on it at all?
No port at all.
Okay. And these are 10s?
Yes.
Nice. All right.
3.5 inches deep.
Okay.
I was very happy to find a shallow mount.
I was going to say, yeah, with the space you have. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man, if you could play something that you know that sounds pretty good.
Anything you want to hear?
Nah, man. Anything that you like that bumps. I'm good. And you didn't have any distortion in that, so that means that you got clean signal there. That was good.
What's real good, believe it or not, is the Georgia Boys track.
Okay. Really?
It actually sounds good in this truck. I was really surprised.
For a sealed box and that shallow mounts.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was really surprised.
What was your name, by the way?
Alan White.
Alan White. Okay.
I'm one of your biggest fans.
Oh, you watch some of my videos?
Oh, yeah, the Instagram, YouTube.
Yeah, I do a lot of posts on Instagram with random builds, some crazy stuff. All right.
Not bad.
Sure.
I am going to put the other Ifinity back in and then use the Alpine for the surround.
Nice.
So,
dude, that sounded good for just that little box in this truck. I appreciate the demo, man.
Like I said, I think it has maybe for both tins 1.5 cubic feet, if that.
Yeah.
Maybe less than that.
Maybe less, yeah, because of the sub displacement on the box. So, but it's getting down for behind the little seat. Appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you. That was great. That was a good demo song, though.
It is a pretty good song. I was surprised when I first heard it too. That's why.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.